Warning, I am winging this. Sometimes I use the word or phrase intent event, and that's something I made up. But it's critically important to understand what an intent event is so that you know who's ready to do stuff with your store. Let's get started. So, in Klaviyo, likely other platforms as well, but I'm most familiar with Klaviyo, you get first-party data. What I mean by that is you can see what they clicked, what they bought, what they added to cart, how many pages they went on, all of their communication with your support team. You can see their entire history of engagement between your brand and that customer or soon-to-be customer. This information is pure gold because it can tell you when an intent event happens. Now, usually I don't recommend sending sale emails to everyone. Unless it's an event like Black Friday, then go ahead, blast away. But during like February, March, April, there's not a lot going on and you still want sales. You don't want to blast your list indiscriminately with discounts and like buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. So what you're going to look for is what I call an intent event. Now, this is something that someone does on your site that shows some intent to buy. So, browsing products, intent event. Adding to cart, intent event. Asking a question from your support about shipping, or going to the shipping page, or going to the returns page, or coming back to the site over and over and over again. All of those things show that they're in an active consideration phase. What you want to do then is send them your offer, send them your incentive. This is the chance, this is when they're ready to buy. You just want to push them over the edge. The way that I would do that is to use those intent events as flow triggers. So for everything that you can think of that shows some intent to buy, trigger a flow. Make sure that the email that you send is relevant to the intent that they show. That's why browse abandon flows are so valuable. They show intent by looking at a product. Same thing for abandoned carts. So take the same principle, take the intent events that people show on your site and follow up from that. Here's one example. If you have a page about shipping information on your website, so shipping times, shipping costs, shipping methods, whatever it is. If you have a page on your site that discusses that, that's going to be your trigger. So if someone goes to the site, looks for information about shipping, you want that to trigger an email. The email should say, hey, were you looking for information about shipping? Or if you want to make it less conversational and you want not to burden your customer support team, put the information in the email. Hey, I wanted to make sure that you know that we have the best shipping available. It's better than Amazon. It'll fly in on a drone in 30 minutes. Whatever your shipping situation is, just tell them about it. Don't leave anything out. Tell them exactly what to expect, and that's going to overcome that objection, and then they're going to move on to the next stage in their consideration. So that's what an intent event is. Think about how you can use that in your email marketing right away. Super simple. Just think about those events that show intent. If you like this video, click subscribe, click thumbs up, join the Facebook group. We do tons of things like this where I just say what's on my mind and then hopefully it's useful to you. Join us there. Peace.